Hello everybody, Paul here. Welcome to the channel, Jap Auto Agent, and today we've got a really super vehicle. This is lovely. It's a 2016 Toyota Estime 2.4 petrol, two-wheel drive in pearl white. But the unique thing about this one is it's only done 11,000 miles from new, so it's definitely, again, it's one of these cars I like to supply. It's got its life still in front of it, but also what this vehicle has got is it's an 8-seater, and you'll tend to find when searching for these cars that out of 25 there'll be one 8-seater, the rest will all be 7-seaters. So if you're looking for an 8-seater, you've got a large family, then this is a fantastic buy, because with this mileage, this car, as I say, it's got its life still in front of it. Two smart keys, as you can see. It's got folding mirrors, it's got push button start, it's got full air con, dual air con to the rear as well as the front. It's got all the usual Toyota Estime features, and as you can imagine, very popular car here in the UK, especially among communities where they have large families. I provide the service of being able to supply these cars direct from Japan at the export trade price. I work for a fixed commission. I'm not a car dealer, I'm an agent. So the commission is sort of set to the total car cost on the road in the UK. But if you want to contact me, I'll take you through it all in detail on the phone. Quite happy to do that and explain to you all the aspects of importing cars. Remember that there have been thousands of dealers throughout the UK who have imported thousands of cars over the last 25 years. Myself being one of them. I've been importing cars from Japan since 1996. I used to have a retail garage, but Jap Auto Agent is a completely new way of operating, and it benefits my customers, and at the end of the day I'm working for a fixed commission. So what's the point of guiding a customer to a bad car, accident damaged, with galactic miles on the clock, when it's no more difficult to guide my customers to a superb, high grade, top quality, low mileage example like this, and in doing so just keep adding to my already existing long 18-year track record supplying these cars as an agent direct from Japan. So if this vehicle is of any interest to you, contact me. And for those who are just entertaining themselves, well, yes, subscribe onto the channel. Just sit back and watch the quality of cars I try to find in Japan. Sometimes we do turn up like this one with some real Bobby Dazzlers. So yeah, get back in touch with me, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, all the rest of it, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars? when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record. Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.